Good morning. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. Getting ready to head over to Aaron's house later on this afternoon. We're going to be doing some work there. We're 1 week out from his Halloween party, and his theme this year is that of a speakeasy, one that's been closed for about 90 years. So he's got a lot of things in there that looks like an old bar, old speakeasy. But I got a couple of props that I want to do this morning before I head over there. One of them is I want to make another crate. I've got this old pallet that I took apart about a month ago, and I've got enough to make one more crate. And you've seen me make the crates before. I've got an embalming crate and a whiskey crate. I think I'll make another crate and maybe just write gin on it or whiskey. I don't know. We'll figure that out later. Instead of pulling these nails out, I'm just going to cut them off, the ends off. It's a lot easier. I've got plenty of wood to do it, so that's what I'm doing.